Over the last few years, I've had the opportunity to be a consultant with Stryker. They've been developing this Mako RPS, and because of the experience that I've had in surgical navigation and computer-assisted surgery, I had the opportunity to go up and work with them. This is a robotically controlled saw. It uses their patented active adjustment technology. What I typically tell patients is when we do a knee replacement, what I am doing is I am building a three-dimensional model of that individual patient's knee in surgery, and then the software helps me size and position these components custom to them. So I actually virtually adjust these component positions to get it to match the patient's anatomy. And then I use the saw then to make the cuts. So there's 6 planes of resection that are made. And with this technology, utilizing Mako RPS, the software, the saw, it knows where the knee is in space. So it knows those planes of resection. So as I bring the saw in to do the actual procedure, as long as I have that saw within a centimeter above or below the plane of resection, I'll be able to make the cuts. The saw will adjust. That's because of their active adjustment technology. It can pivot up and down. It can pivot side to side or front and back to keep the blade in plane of the desired resection plane. It is, from what I've seen, the most precise technology in terms of allowing you to make these bony cuts. We are the first facility outside the state of Arizona to have this technology. We have it right here on the campus at Pelham Medical Center in Greer, South Carolina. If you're a patient, this is a place you want to come to have your orthopedic care. You know, it's our commitment to quality. It's our commitment to pushing the envelope in terms of technology and trying to provide the best in orthopedic care for our patients and our community. So Pelham Medical Center may be a small community hospital, but we deliver big care in orthopedics.